The dual SIM Nano Samsung Galaxy M31s runs Android 10 with One UI on top and features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display along with 420 nits of peak brightness and Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Under the hood, there is an octa-core Exynos 9611 SoC, coupled with up to 8 GB RAM. The processing chip is notably the same that we saw on the Galaxy M31 and Galaxy M30s earlier. For photos and videos, the quad-rear camera setup of the Galaxy M31s has a 64-megapixel primary Sony IMX682 sensor with an f/1.8 lens, paired with a 12-megapixel secondary sensor that has a 123-degree ultra-wide-angle lens. The camera setup also includes a 5-megapixel depth shooter and a 5-megapixel macro shooter to capture selfies and enable video calls. The Samsung Galaxy M31s has a 32-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front sitting on top of its hole-punch display design. The camera sensor supports 4K video recording and features such as slow-mo videos, AR Doodle, and AR Emoji. The Samsung Galaxy M31s has 128 GB of onboard storage that is expandable via microSD card. Connectivity options include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS/AGPS, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It packs a 6000 mAh battery that supports fast charging via the bundled 25W charger. Besides, the phone has 9.3mm of thickness,